Unit 1. The Earth. Time to warm up. Look at the objects and circle the one that resembles the Earth. Time to know. As I walk across the Earth, thousands of things I get to see. Birds fly high, soaring higher, and on the flowers I hear the buzz of bees. The sun at the dawn rises within the hills, mountains covered with snow, shining like the crown of silver, and the waves touching the cliffs, the waterfall flowing down, the green blue mountains, rivers forming a dream delta before entering the sea. And while walking on the beach at night, I feel the cool and sweet smiling breeze. The slashing sound still feels like the sound of love and peace. The moon over the sea shining like a ball of gold. And in every step my eyes hold wonder. I bend on my knee to thank the Mother Earth, and is the truth. It's a great pleasure for me to live in this wonderland. Fact Finder. This Earth is the fifth largest planet in our solar system. Earth and other planets. There are 8 planets which revolve around the Sun in our solar system. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. The 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Earth is the third planet from the Sun at a distance of about 150 million kilometers, 93 million miles, or 1 AU. One day on Earth takes 24 hours. This is the time it takes the Earth to rotate or spin once. Earth makes a complete orbit around the Sun, a year in Earth time, in about 365 days. Earth is a rocky planet, also known as a terrestrial planet, with a solid and dynamic surface of mountains, valleys, canyons, plains, and so much more. Shape and size of the Earth. Earth's circumference and diameter differ because its shape is classified as an oblate spheroid or ellipsoid instead of a true sphere. The Earth is approximately a slightly oblate spheroid, ellipsoid having a shorter axis and two equal longer axes, with an average diameter of approximately 12,742 kilometers. The maximum deviations from this are the highest point on Earth, Mount Everest, which is only 8,850 meters, and the lowest, the bottom of the Mariana Trench, at 10,911 meters below sea level. The mass of the Earth is approximately 6 into 1024 kilograms. The last layer is the core, which is separated into the liquid outer core and the solid inner core. The outer core is 2300 kilometers thick and the inner core is 1200 kilometers thick. Who proved that the earth is round? Aristotle first theorized that the earth was round. Columbus died believing he proved Aristotle was correct, but the real confirmation came in the expedition of Ferdinand Magellan, the captain of the first ship to sail completely around the world. He was Portuguese sailor, set off on a voyage from Spain and sailed west. After 3 years, his ship reached the same place from where he started. Thus, he proved that the earth is round. The earth's surface. The surface of the earth is not the same everywhere. There are rocks, hills, valleys, mountains, plains, rivers, lakes, oceans, forests, deserts, and many other such forms. But we can divide the surface of the earth into two main parts, land and water. Only about 30% of the Earth's surface is land. The remaining about 70% of it is water. The horizon. Look at the sky. The sky appears as if it is touching the earth. If you sit on the shore of the sea, you will see the sky meeting the earth in the very far distance. Actually, the sky never meets. The line at which the earth and sky seem to meet is called the horizon. Movement of the earth. A planet of the sun, the earth revolves around the sun. Besides this is also rotates on its own axis. Thus the earth has two motions, the rotation and the revolution. Rotation. The earth rotates on its axis from west to east. The axis is an imaginary line passing through the northern and the southern poles of the earth. The rotation of the earth is completed in about 24 hours and it is also called the daily motion of the earth. This motion is responsible for the occurrence of day and night. One rotation of the earth is completed when a given heavenly body crosses the observer's meridian two times in succession. Revolution. The movement of the earth around the sun in its orbit is called revolution. This movement of the earth is also from west to east. The period of revolution in 1 year, 365 1 by 4 days. The orbit of the earth around the sun is elliptical and not circular. How are the days and nights are formed? We have day and night on earth because of the earth's rotation on its axis. Axis is an imaginary line passing through north and south poles of the earth. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation around its axis. Half the up in the sky during different times of the day. We see that the sun is moving from one direction to the other. It rises in the east in the morning and sets in the west. In reality, the sun is not moving. It is that our earth that is rotating around the sun. The rotation causes day and night as explained above. The atmosphere. The earth is surrounded by a blanket of air called the atmosphere. The atmosphere is made of various gases that act as a protective shield for the earth and allow life to exist. Without it, we would be burned by the intense heat of the sun during the day or frozen by the below temperatures at night. The sky. Why is sky blue? The blue color of the sky is due to Rayleigh scattering. As light moves through the atmosphere, most of the longer wavelengths pass straight through. Little of the red, orange, and yellow light is affected by the air. However, much of the shorter wavelength light is absorbed by the gas molecules. The absorbed blue light is then radiated in different directions. It gets scattered all around the sky. Whichever direction you look, some of this scattered blue light reaches you. Since you see the blue light from everywhere overhead, the sky looks blue. As you look closer to the horizon, the sky appears much paler in color. To reach you, the scattered blue light must pass through more air. Some of it gets scattered away again in other directions. Less blue light reaches your eyes. The color of sky near the horizon appears paler or white.